In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find rentals on Redfin. Whether you're on the hunt for a new apartment or simply exploring housing options, Redfin offers a comprehensive platform that's super helpful for finding rental properties. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to go to the Redfin website. If you're not familiar with Redfin, it's a real estate brokerage site that provides users with a wide array of property listings across the United States. You can access it through your preferred web browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the main navigation bar across the top of the screen. Now, here's where we focus our attention. In the navigation bar, you'll see several options like buy and sell. What you're going to click is the rent option, usually accompanied by a drop-down arrow. This section is dedicated solely to rental listings, making it much easier for you to narrow down your search. After you've clicked on rent, you'll need to specify the location you're interested in. In the search bar, type the name of the city or area where you're looking to rent. For example, if you were considering moving to San Francisco or Los Angeles, you would type that into the search field. Once you start typing, Redfin will often provide suggestions to ensure you're getting results for precisely the area you're interested in. Next, after setting your desired location, you'll see various filters pop up on the screen. At this point, you should focus on clicking the Home Type filter. This allows you to choose from different types of rental properties, whether it's a house, apartment, condo, or townhouse. Selecting the right home type can save you a lot of time by eliminating options that don't fit your criteria. A useful tip: take advantage of other filters available on Redfin to further curate your search results. You can adjust these based on price range, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and even specific features like a pet-friendly environment or hardwood floors if those are important to you. Once you've selected your filters, Redfin will display a list of available rental options that fit your criteria. You can click on any of the listings to see more detailed information, such as photos, property descriptions, and contact details for scheduling a viewing. This easy-to-use platform makes the process much more efficient and helps you stay organized during your rental search. I hope you now feel equipped to navigate Redfin and find the best rental property for your needs. Happy house hunting, and thanks for joining me today.